Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely EGBOTIC nonos. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is play. I have this Igbo song I want to come here and sing for you guys, okay? And let's start with a little bit of dancing, okay? Kaega na nke bishop na fa kola ihe na-ewe mi we bụ na-efe makọrọ akọ nwa nkụ n'aka na-enwe anwụrị osisi kpọrọ nkụ na-eme mgbajisi ihe okoko Kaega na nke bishop na fa kola ihe na-ewe mi we bụ na-efe makọrọ akọ nwa nkụ n'aka na-enwe anwụrị osisi kpọrọ nkụ na-eme mgbajisi ihe okoko Did I do well? Please learn the song along with me. Kaega na nke bishop na fa kola ife na-ewe mi we bụ na-efe makọrọ akọ nwa nkụ n'aka na-enwe anwụrị osisi kpọrọ nkụ na-eme mgbajisi ihe okoko My people, how are you doing? Hope you are having a wonderful and lovely day. On this channel, I want to also introduce a lovely fun times when I just come and sing Igbo song and that's for you guys and teach you guys some Igbo step. I know you guys also want to learn how to dance this kind of dance in Igbo. I'm not very perfect in it, but I can also teach you guys, okay? If you have not subscribed to this channel, better do that. Better subscribe, better support my channel by clicking down on the subscription button below and giving this video a thumbs up. Whether you like it or not, you have to give this video a thumbs up and you have to share it as well. I also have many other videos down in my description that you're going to enjoy. Names of animal in Igbo, names of kitchen utensils, names of fruits in Igbo, and so many other things you are going to enjoy. So better come and join this family. Welcome. Okay, so another song we're gonna dance today is, you know this Flavor song now. Flavor with the Larry Gaga. Oh yeah, egg. I know some of you don't know how to sing it, but you just like the way it sounds, right? So now, because of YouTube and their flagging, I'm going to sing it, okay? Obodo muno ye ga-agba egwu muno ijere muno elu Teresa nọrọ n'ọmụ na-ekwu onye ọma njeje mba n'ijere muno elu onye ji mara aka n'ọmụ na-atụ nwanne m oko n'ijere elu ego muno ye ga-agba egwu ị na-emega achara m ịma ahịhịa Ochonkotonko achara m ịma ahịhịa ịgbagoro gbada achara m ịma ahịhịa ịchọrọ ịma na ije na nke ịma ahịhịa ijere ndị Igbo na-afụta n'egwu ahịhịa ezege ndị Igbo na-afụta n'egwu ahịhịa Teresa nọrọ na-afụta n'egwu ahịhịa Larịga gị ihe wee jekwa eme ijere elu ego ụlọ ya ga-agba egwu obodo ụlọ ya ga-agba egwu mụ ijere ụlọ elu Teresa nọrọ n'ọmụ na-ekwu onye ọma njeje mba n'ijere ụlọ elu onye ji nwara aka n'ọmụ na-atụ nwanne m oko ijere elu ego ụlọ ya ga-agba egwu Some of you will say, what did I eat today, right? I didn't eat anything. I just wanted this channel to be a little bit of learning, a little bit of fun, because all work and no play make Jack a dull guy, a dull boy. So just save this video as well in your description. Yeah, save it in your watch later. As you're learning my Igbo, you also refer back to this and also watch this. You can also have two devices. If you save this in your watch later, you put the earpiece in your ear, you're listening to my song, and you are learning my learnings on the channel. Okay, make sure you don't dull yourself and always try to be happy. And one word I'm going to leave with you guys is, anything you're trying to do, be consistent. Anything you're trying to do, always motivate yourself. Okay, always tell yourself you are doing the right thing. Always tell yourself, this is what I want to do, this is who I am, and I'm very sure I'm gonna achieve it. Always try to be happy. Don't let anyone make you angry. Don't let anyone make you sad. Always give yourself self-love. Self-love is number one thing. Even if you pass through the rough and the roughest way, and you don't have self-love for yourself, you still crumble. So with that being said, what am I trying to say? This channel also inculcates in what you have to do for yourself in order to achieve self-love, right? You also have to learn Igbo. So this is what you want to do. You want to learn your native language, and I'm so proud of you. I'm so very proud of you. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Like I said, I'm going to make this channel learning with Igbo as simple as possible, as fun as possible, and anything I feel that's going to interest every of you on this channel, including the dancing. I want to be bringing in once in a while. I come and sing and dance. We call it in Igbo egwuregwu, playing. Egwuregwu, playing. OGE EGWU, time for playing. OGE EGWU, time for playing. So guys, do have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, IGBOTIC nono. Okay, you have to join the gang. Okay, you have to join our gang, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.